How to download and install Notion. Welcome everybody. In order to download and install Notion, you want to go to Google and search for Notion, enter. And in here, the first website that pops up is notion.so, which is the one you want to click. So Notion, one workspace, every team. Click that. And in here, you can already see download at the top. So hover over that. Then there's iOS and Android, which we don't want. We want Mac and Windows because we want to download it for PC currently. And now you want to choose if you have a Mac or a Windows PC. I have a Windows one, so I'll click download for Windows. And as you can see, Notion setup.exe, which is the executable file for the setup wizard, is being downloaded in the bottom left. This is only 85 megabytes, so this will be downloaded fairly quickly. I'll be back once this is done. Now, as you can see, the setup file is finished downloading. So what you're gonna do is just left click on that, opening Notion, and as you can see, Notion setup installing, please wait. At this point, your Notion is being installed and you have successfully downloaded and installed Notion. I hope this video could help you out. If it did, please do like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.